Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Michaela wig by Envy in the color Toasted Sesame. I love this color. I reviewed Brianna in this color, so I thought that this would be a really nice one to showcase outdoors. It is a beautiful alternative to a traditional light brown in that it's got lots of highlighting. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on that. So Toasted Sesame, as you can see, has a little bit of a dark root, which is great. I mean, it's not too dark, nor is it too done. It's just right as far as I'm concerned. And then on top here, you get these very nice sort of dark honey blonde highlights on top of that light golden brown. Just a very beautiful, beautiful color. Doesn't pull too warm, doesn't pull too light. It's just right, especially if you're in the market for a light brown with a little bit of a dark root for flavor. This wig has lots of fringe, just lots and lots of playful, razor cut, super sleek and straight fringe, especially on the top. And you can fuss her up if you like to make her look a little bit more voluminous, but she does kind of want to just stay in place, as you can tell by what I'm doing here. I'm gonna try to sweep her off to the side a little bit. This is a great no-fuss short style, especially if you like one that's got a little bit more length on top. Very, very nicely done there. Now this wig does not have a lace front, which will make a lot of you very happy. Some of you hate lace fronts, and Envy's lace fronts tend to be a little scratchy, so it's kind of nice that it's not on this particular style. It doesn't need it. It's got these lovely fringe bangs that are of a very, very easy to manage length. They probably won't need to be cut on anybody. They're a very nice length. They're that standard 4-inch bang that I mention in a lot of videos. It's just a really great length because it's not too short. It'll cover most people's foreheads, and it just basically doesn't go in the eyeballs. So unless you got a really tiny, 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 baby tiny forehead, this will work with you very well without needing to be trimmed again. The front, as I mentioned, is 4 inches. The crown down is 5. The sides are 3.25 inches, and the nape is 2, so it's quite short in the back. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. I love how long these sideburns are. I mean, it's not really built into this here, so I mean, the ear tab area is not super long, but it does have a lot of hair on it, so it does give you good coverage on the sides there. So my one only criticism of this style, which I actually think is quite gorgeous, is that I think that the back could probably use just a teeny weeny bit more hair, but aside from that, I think this is very well done. So Michaela has this nice band of felt right here at the front hairline. She's also got open wefted front. That's really great in this color, this Toasted Sesame, as you can see the rooting there. That rooting really helps obscure the permatease that's all up in here. Then you've got this lovely monofilament crown insert. Sometimes I don't think those are very helpful, but on this particular style I think it works quite well. The back is open wefted, as are the sides. The nape is extended and open, and it's adjustable kind of like a bra here in the back. It's already let all the way out on this one. And the ear tabs are open, which makes wearing glasses quite easy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and shake Michaela a little bit. She's been in the box for a little while, so she's needing a little bit of help there. Now that she's fluffed up a bit, you can see this layering and how sleek it is in the back and back here at the nape. Now I do think that that nape being a little bit darker in this color really helps add to the coverage and makes it a little bit more secure. Though I do recommend on any wig this short in the back that you cut the tag off once you know you don't want to return it, because that will really help prevent the tag from hello popping out in the back. That's not hot. No one likes that. So that's what that monofilament crown insert looks like. It's really, really densely threaded though. That's the only drawback to it. Usually monofilament features, that's a good thing, but when it comes to those crown pieces, if it's too dense, then you can't even really tell it's there. So look at how much lighter the front of this is in the Toasted Sesame than it is in the back. I think that's beautiful. I love this color. And all that layering in the front, just very, very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and give her another little teeny shake. I mean, she's fringy everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and put her back on now. The cap is quite stretchy, though I do think that it only fits a little bit bigger than average. So, I mean, it is made to comfortably fit an average sized head. This one can be parted in any direction because the whole top part is permateased. So, I'm just gonna keep doing it to the side there. So I like what it does to the front here. Hello. And these sideburns can be pushed down. Give you a little bit extra coverage. And there you have it. This wig is so easy to wear and she's really, really pretty on. This has been the Michaela wig by Envy in the color Toasted Sesame. This is part of Envy's 2015 fall collection. So I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching and tune in next time for another wig review. I need to come up with a good closer because I'm running out of material, I think. So until next time, bye-bye.